Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. Today I'm going to be preparing beef comfort rice, which is based on one of my classic Casual Chef stir fries. Let's get to it. Got some melted butter here in the saute pan. I'm going to add the beef. Then I'm just going to brown it. Add some salt. And pepper. Okay, I've already went ahead and seared the beef, and now I pulled it and I'm going to set it aside. I'm going to add the red onion. And we're going to saute just until soft. A little bit of salt. And pepper. The onions look good. Time to add the garlic. And we're going to cook this garlic for about, we're going to add the red wine, the Worcestershire, and we're going to deglaze the pan. We're going to add the red bell pepper. Then we're going to reintroduce the beef. And we're going to add one little special ingredient, because I have it in the Casual Chef's Kitchen, some chopped tomato. I'm going to simmer this on low for about 10 minutes, probably add a little bit of liquid. Yep. Off camera, after the simmer, I took the beef combination and the cooked rice and put them together. Let's take a look. Here's the final presentation of beef comfort rice. Thank you for joining me here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. If you like this recipe, you can find it and many more on the Casual Chef website. Be sure to like this video and please subscribe. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.